Hello. In this section, we're going to take a look at SAP HANA deployment options. Let's start with the on-premise option. This is quite common with the current architecture, and we all are comfortable having the servers on-premise. So you can do that same with HANA. You can have server on-premise. Now you can either choose to have a single server and scale up when you reach capacity, or you can also scale out, adding multiple hosts to your server. The next is actually building these servers. So traditionally speaking, SAP wanted you to get your hardware from one of the hardware partners, and generally what they do is they come to your location and they set up the box, they do the configuration and other support services whichever you request. Recently they have released something called the tailored data center, which allows you to install the HANA database inside your existing data center. You need to be a certified consultant to be able to do that for them to approve your solution, and you need to meet certain prerequisites and certain requirements. Now that gives us the flexibility to choose and install and configure the HANA server according to your requirement. You can also choose the SAP HANA Cloud Platform. This is an exciting feature with the SAP. Now, since everything is moving to the cloud, naturally SAP also is doing the same. In this option, you can extend your current cloud or on-premise solution you can add more features to it, and you can add more functionalities, and you can give seamless access to your users across mobile, desktop, and social. You can also use this particular service to build applications and host it internally using the Access engine, which will give you the capability to build and extend applications. These are some of the features available for you in the cloud service. So you can, make it mobile compatible. You can make it run transactions. You can use a predictive engine. You can use the spatial engine. You can do text mining. You can build security, SAML, and different forms of security. You can integrate with outside data and outside applications. This is a very exciting feature from SAP, and this is a very good way to wet your feet with HANA, and then you can, bring it on premise for a full solution or go on cloud. The HANA Enterprise Cloud is the solution for all the enterprise users who want to entirely migrate their existing solution to the cloud. This is a fully featured, fully secure, 99.5% uptime to deploy your production system. So SAP is supporting it, and SAP is behind you in terms of helping you with the assessment and migration, and it helps you with the application management, provides you consultants. So it kind of hand holds you throughout the process of assessment and analyzing your current data footprint and different implications of migrating and dependencies and things like that. It helps you to migrate, and these servers are hosted by SAP themselves, and they are level 5 data centers. You can choose to run both of them together. You can also run the on-premise option, and you can also have the on-cloud option. Companies are still sensitive about where their data sits. Generally speaking, the low and medium sensitive data sits on the cloud, and the high sensitive data, they want it to be sitting on the premise. So however you want to mix and match, you can definitely also look into the hybrid option. Naturally, you can choose both on-premise and on the cloud option, depending on where you want your data to be sitting. Depending on the fire of the service call and the data locality, you will be using either your on-premise or your cloud option. With that, we end our section 1. Please give your comments, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I'll be happy to answer them to the best of my knowledge.